What's up, weirdos? Just wanted to make a brief video on my garden trellises, how I built them and everything like that. These are the old trellises, and you can see they're built a little differently. I sunk a couple 2x4s deep into the ground, probably about 2 feet deep. I think these are 10 footers, if I'm not mistaken. I sandwiched this galvanized fence, 2x4 galvanized fence, in between the 2x4s, and then I stapled it to the raised beds, and it worked pretty well. I haven't really had any issues with it, except I can't plant on both sides. So I fixed that problem with the new raised bed trellis, and what I did was I buried it the same, about 2 feet deep, and I sandwiched the fence, but I left a little bit of room over here, about 4 inches or so. And that's going to allow me to plant peas in the spring, about this time of year, March, April. And when they start to dry up and die off in July, I can plant some more peas and have them started already, so I'll be able to plant these in June at some point. And these will go into the fall. So I'm excited about that. I think that's going to work pretty well. We will see. But I made, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trellises over there, and hopefully that solves my issue with trying to plant peas in the fall, and I really don't have any space. So I think it's going to work. We will see. Anyway, guys, this was a very simple trellis, easy to build. It does take a little bit of time to dig it out and everything and get it all lined up. It doesn't end up perfect, as you can see. I did have to zip tie two fences together, as you can see. I did that on all of them, and it works pretty well. I used 1x4s in the middle just because it was a little bit cheaper, and then just screw them together like that. So pretty simple trellis build, pretty sturdy. I haven't had any issues with it. You can see this is I'm shaking this pretty hard, and it's really not affecting it too much. So it'll withstand a lot of wind. The only thing is, over time, maybe erosion and everything like that, and maybe that starts to rot underneath, so I may have to replace that. This is not treated because I don't want that treated crap in my garden. I'm an organic gardener, and yes, I'm very smug about that. But yes, if you enjoyed the video, guys, give it a like. Let me know what you thought. Share it with your friends. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.